So now that I have 6 times 2.5, my total length would be a total of 15 inches of wood, and I would put a B after the 15 inches because it's a bottom view. So I take number of equal lines, that are these lines right here, times the length of each line gives me my total length. Now I continue on. If I have any more vertical lines in my design, which you can see on this one there aren't anymore, then I would continue to add them on here. Otherwise, I move down to the next type of line. So then we have horizontal lines. Looking at the drawing, we'll start with the two longest ones, these blue lines. This is the outside frame of the bottom view. I have one blue line here and a second blue line right here that are the same length. So I'm going to write down on my list of materials, number of equal lines. I'm going to write a 2 here because I have two blue lines that are equal length times the length of one of the lines. And if this is your bottom view, 7th graders, your length will be 12.5 or 12.5 inches. 6th graders, your length will be just 12 inches without the 0.5 because your bridge is smaller. So right here I would record two equal lines. Each line was 12.5 inches long, and 2 times 12.5 gives me a total of 25 inches, and I put again a B for a bottom view. Next thing I'm going to do is take a look at my design again. Do I have any more horizontal lines the same length? In this case I do. That would be the red lines. I have one red line here and I have a second one over here. Both of these lines are the same length. So then what I have to do is on a new line down here, I put down, I have two more lines, two equal lines. Each line when I measure it is 5 3/4 inches, and I convert 3/4 to decimal. I have 5.75. 2 times 5.75 gives me 11.5 or 11.5 inches, and again a B for a bottom view. Now those two lines have been measured. So between the measurements for the verticals and the two horizontals, I have this basic design already completely measured. And so the next thing we'll do is we have to add up our total lengths. So in our total length column, we'll add up 15 plus 25 plus 11.5, and that will give us our total for just the bottom view. Now you can use the same sheet and record your measurements for your top view, only be sure to add a T after your totals for a top view measurement. Then when you've added all the lines up in your top view, add all the T's together, and that will be your total for your top view. When you have your top view total and a separate bottom view total, you will then need to add your totals with your partner side view totals for a grand total. What we're looking for with either bridge, 7th or 8th, is you need to have take a look at your grading sheet to see how accurate you'll be graded with your measurements.